Assalamualaikum to Dr. Rose. My name is Irdina Iriesya and my metric number is CI2400459 and I'm from section 6. So for today, I will present my video reflections for Lab 5, which is about understanding SOAP and WSDL in web services technology. So in this reflection, I will explain the first one, my understanding of web services. So the second one is the program that I have learned. And the third one is why WSDL description is important. And the last one is the relationship between SOAP and WSDL. So for this reflection, I choose my project called Goal Calculator Service. So the first one is understanding of web services. So web service is a technology that allows different applications or a system to communicate with each other through the internet or network. Even if the system use a different programming language, they still can exchange information using the web services. So web services are important because they help system share data automatically and efficiently. So in this subject, I learned how to create Java web services, deploy services using Glassfish, test web services using NetBeans, generate WSDL files, and understand SOP requests and SOAP response. So SOAP is used to send and receive message between systems. Meanwhile, WSDL is used to describe a web service. Web service can also be used in banking system, hospital system, e-commerce application, and weather application. The next one is the program that I learned. So based on the program that I have been learned is I create a web service called a Goal Calculator Service. So the purpose of this service is to calculate the total selling price of gold. The formula used is a total price equals to CGP times WG, where CGP means current gold of price and WG means weight of gold in grams. So for example, CGP equals 264 ringgit, WG is equals 22 grams. So the calculation becomes 264 times 22 is equal to 5,808. So the result will be 5,808 ringgit. So in the NetBeans, I use the first one is add web service, the second one is add web method, and the third one is add web param. So example of my code, as you can see in the screen, this method receives the value from the user, perform this calculation, and returns the result. After deploying the service using a Glassfish, I tested the service using the web service tester generated automatically by NetBeans. So the tester page also generated the WSDL file, SOAP request, and SOAP respond automatically. Next, why do we need WSDL description? WSDL stands for Web Services Description Language. WSDL is important because it describes the web service completely. Without WSDL, the client will not know what operation is available, what input should be sent, what output will be written, and how to communicate with the service correctly. WSDL acts like a guide or contract between the service provider and the client. From a WSDL file, we can understand the service name, operation name, input parameter, output result, data type, and service URL. So this is an example. As you can see in the screen, this shows the operation provided by the service. Next is a relationship between SOAP and WSDL. SOAP and WSDL are closely related. WSDL describes the structure of web service, while SOAP uses that structure to send and receive message. This means SOAP message follow the format defined in the WSDL file. Example of SOAP request, as you can see in the screen, This SOAP request sends the value of CGP and WG to the service. The operation name count total price comes from the WSDL operation definition. The parameters CGP and WG are also defined inside the WSDL file. Next one is example of SOAP response. As you can see in screen, this SOAP response returns the calculate result from the service. The written result shown in SOAP response is also defined in the WSDL output message. So this shows that SOAP message are generated based on the WSDL description. In conclusion, this lab helped me improve my understanding of web services, especially SOAP and WSDL. Through this practical, I learned how to create and test a Java web service using a NetBeans and a Glassfish. I also understood how SOAP is used to exchange message and how WSDL describe the structure of web service. Besides that, the practical helped me understand how web services can be applied in real-world systems such as banking, hospital, and e-commerce applications. Overall, this practical gave me a better knowledge and hands-on experience in web services technology. That's all from me. Thank you.